If you enjoy these DIY Christmas crafts, please subscribe to the channel. Grab a sheet of white rectangular paper and a pair of scissors. Place the paper on the table with the long edge facing you. Fold the paper in half and crease it well. Open the paper back up. Fold the corners down just like you're making a paper airplane. Fold along the central crease. Cut off the rectangle on the right side. Unfold the paper. Use your scissors to cut along the center line. Fold one square along the crease to make a triangle. Fold it in half again and make a sharp crease. Take the right edge of the paper and fold it over to the left, just like I do. Press down to make a crease. Flip it over to the other side and fold the paper one more time. Take the other piece and repeat the exact same folding steps to make the snowflake base. Were you able to make these paper snowflake bases? If not, let me know in the comments where you got stuck. Trim off the excess paper on the right. Do the same trimming on the other snowflake base. Take one triangle and make two cuts towards the center. Now we start cutting out the snowflake pattern. Cut out a semicircle on the right side. Flip the piece over. Cut another semicircle and an inverted half-heart shape. Carefully unfold the paper to reveal a beautiful paper snowflake made only with scissors. No glue or pencil needed. Grab the other folded piece. Make a rounded cut on the right side. Rotate the piece and snip off a paper triangle on the right. Make a slit right next to it. Continue cutting as if you are carving out a curvy dog tail. Did you manage to cut it? Or was it tricky? If it was very hard, your paper might be too thick. Try using thinner paper, like standard printer paper, 70 or 80 GSM. Take a fresh sheet of paper and place it on the table as before. Fold it in half, but this time bring the long edge to the other long edge. Crease it down. Unfold the paper and cut along the fold line we just created. Take one rectangle and set the other one aside for now. Fold it in half, carefully aligning the edges. Fold the paper in half one more time. Did you manage to make this base for the paper Christmas tree garland? Imagine a line running down the center. Step aside slightly and cut out a small rectangle. Cut out a similar rectangle on the other side. Leave a little space right here. Make a small angled cut. Make a straight cut to finish removing the triangle. Likewise, leave some space on the other side and cut out a triangle. See, we are cutting out the Christmas tree in tiers. Keep making cuts exactly as I am doing, and you will be able to cut a paper garland quickly and easily. When the Christmas tree is ready, gently pull the edges to reveal your hard work. Grab that second rectangle of paper we set aside earlier. Prepare the garland base by following my steps. Start cutting out the mittens, the snowman's arms, and the rounded body base with scissors. Leave some space at the top and cut the snowman's arms, middle, head, and hat. Share this video with anyone interested in making DIY winter paper decorations for school projects or window displays. Unfold the paper.